Hi.
Look at them things. Look how clean it is under here. Wow. She's gonna be sealing like a beast.
Indeed.
Looks pretty nice.
Yes.
Was it? Third time's the charm.
You know, it's like a USB stick.
Are we sure this is right? Is that your final answer?
Yeah, so we got all the bolts, the drain back holes all line up. Everything appears to be in the proper places. Yes.
Getting them all lubed up.
Yes. Little trick when you're doing a head on a 2J or a 1J in a car. So you can't get the washers in their little positions with the studs in place. And usually you can't get the head on with the studs in the block when it's in the car. So you can just slip the washers in before you put the studs in. You can thread the nuts on part of the way. Kind of eliminates some of the mess about, you know. Thank you. On water, please. Oh, the nut's not on this one. It's far enough.
She's getting torqued down.
Not yet.
She's ready to make some heat.
Getting there.
She's ready to light it up.
Almost. One more, please.
So you're giving her the beans now, huh?
Second torque step. 50 foot-pounds. Then we give it the beans. Three, four, ha, ha, ha.
And what do you got on the screen there?
The bolt sequence, tightening sequence.
Very important step, right?
Yes.
Alright, so the head's all torqued down. Now what's going on here?
We're reinstalling the camshafts.
And then it's pretty much just putting everything else back in there, right?
Yeah, I gotta do the timing. I mean, obviously torque these down in the proper sequence.
Yes.
We gotta go through his wiring harness still and take some stuff out of it doesn't need. The turbo elbow. I think studs might all work on him though. Oh, that's a little. Why does it got one little? Oh yeah.
You should have some for there, and then no, those are the 4 for here, Jer.
No, these little ones are here. There's four bigger ones.
Okay. I feel like maybe
These go.
It's looking like a real turbo.
Is it because it's got a dangly line off of it?
It's got lines, it's got things for nuts.
See if it will stay there.
Find the nuts for this, Duncan.
Okay.
Be careful. There's a car there.
Damn, dude.
I ain't seen nothing.
Show it not attached, and then before you know it, it will be attached.
Is that where we're putting it? I guess so.
Is it on?
Yeah.
Remove your hand.
Let me get a Sharpie and I'll mark it.
Check that out. It is attached. Oh, and there's some gold stuff. Nice. Very nice. Dang, look at that harness, dude. You're telling me that you know what these things are and what they do.
Every last one of them.
Wow.
Yes, sir.
Interesting.
Yes, sir.
Do a boomerang. Does that camera do boomerang?
It doesn't. It's probably a good thing that you're here. Last video you were in, it got like 3 million views, so.
That's true. It might be your good luck charm.
Something about you that
You're probably right.
sets it off.
What could be cool about it? The fuck is this one for?
Delete it. Get rid of it. It's only got one wire.
This one I have
we don't
labeled
need
as
that.
AC, so it must be AC.
Oh, that goes to this, I think.
You already have it labeled?
That one wire goes to that one wire.
Yeah, perfect.
Alex, show him this one. Look, look at this big ass connector. And we got one wire in
Don't
it.
make fun of his little ass wire.
All of this for
Oh,
for one wire.
yeah, there's
Little wire boy.
Bear me.
You out? Damn, bro. Tuesday, dude.
I felt so bad we were at that party and I don't want it all about.
So crispy.
Here, you be filming all that, and then I come in and drop this, and then it'll be a commercial.
Okay.
Alright?
Yeah.
Hang on, I didn't know exactly. Okay, but you gotta tell about more, I think. Okay, ready?
Yeah.
Man, it's just not gonna work how I thought.
Man, should I keep going and cut out the things I sort of think we don't need?
Probably.
As this plug doesn't plug into anything, and it has all these wires that probably don't go to anything important.
Well, I mean, if it, you're sure it doesn't plug in anywhere?
Well, I don't know. This plugs into the ECU. I'm
Well-
pretty sure this plugs into the ECU.
If it don't plug in anywhere, I'm saying get rid of that.
These
shit.
might not even plug into anything. That's like another 5 wires right there. These probably go right into this plug.
Probably.
Look, those 3 probably go right there.
Yeah, looks like.
Maybe. I got a thing that can test that. Keep it kind of in the shape it needs to go in the car. Try to get this twisted a little and get it tighter.
Jeez.
This is an aux sensor, that's an aux sensor. That's a storage solenoid. We're gonna have to put some sort of covering over each one of them. This is igniter and the condenser. This, I don't freaking know. Yeah. And cam sensor, injector, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is probably the idle air control valve. Throw position.
Damn, you're good, man. You like really know your
This
things.
is coil pack 1, 2, and 3. This is math. This is a 2. These 2. I'm thinking one of these gotta be alternator. It's a 3-pinner. Maybe that's alternator. Hello, sir.
Oh, hello. What you got? What you
Just
got?
some simple little brackets. Hold the thing.
Looks pretty fancy.
I said simple, not fancy.
Looks pretty simple.
Thanks.
Give me that.
No,
Give me those.
don't even know how they go on.
Man, this thing smells like oil.
Dude, I put Walmart oil in it and it blew up.
Don't blame.
I took that on his advice, by the way.
Don't blame.
YouTube.
Don't blame me. It runs great in my car.
Shit, not with 370K it don't. Probably too late now. You blown. Walmart oil.
Check it out. Pretty cool. All mounted up and such. And you won't even really see it through there. Now you can kind of see it. Boom.
Boom.
It's a BMW again.
Yes.
Pretty nice.
He's in.
Have you adapted it to our liking?
Well, I tacked it together and we're gonna test fit it
Cool.
before I weld it the whole way.
Yeah, that's probably smart.
Yeah, you're probably smart.
Probably not.
Huh.
What do you think of my paint job?
Adequate.
Can you tell it's girl paint?
Girl paint?
Girl paint.
Girl paint.
Girl.
Female paint. Girl paint.
Feminine paint.
Girl paint. Yeah. Make sure you back it up though if it does start.
partially fouled, probably.
Yeah, that makes sense. You're rolling back some, in case you didn't know. Sounds pretty good though.